Shock.
Scream.
I'm gonna sad.
I'm so sad.
Very sad.
I am Margareta Tahun, NIM 71 2019 285. When I get problem in my life, I start to blaming God. I also ask myself, why this is happen to me? Where is God when problem hit me so hard? What is God purpose for me? I am overthinking about that. That's all my old thought. Now I know that throw out the problems. I can see how God loved me and how God take care of me. I renew my talk to God. He is lovely and never leave his children. He is keep us in his way and rebuke us in his timing. Not only that, I understand that problems lead me to correct myself too. I know that every problem in my life is a challenge me to keep growing in God's way. Tomorrow is not going to be easy, but I know that God still provided in every situation.
Hello, I am Anggiat SM Manik. My name 71 2019 280. At the beginning of my marriage to girl whom I love, everything went normally. All my marriage process are carried out in an orderly manner, starting from the legal system of the church, state, and culture. This feels to the fourth year of my marriage still feel normal without feeling deprived. Arriving in the fifth year of my marriage journey, I began to experience challenge, where the hope of all married people want to have children. My wife has toxoplasmosis or cat hair and virus, where every time my wife experiences pregnancy, the virus will be killed by the virus. One time during my wife's pregnancy at the age of 3 months, according to the doctor, the virus in her womb was not growing, so it had to be cured or DNC. This happened to my wife until she underwent and cured 3 times. My heart was crushed without hope, without even realizing that my mouth was uttering word that just get God. I screamed, why I'm I going through this trial? Where are you, God? What sin did I commit until I was faced with this serious problem? In the end, my wife felt traumatized and afraid to get pregnant until one day when I feel helpless, I meet someone who had experienced something similar to what I had. We discussed many times about the challenge of navigating a household act, so that at one point we discussed his experience and advised us to seek treatment at a gynecologist in the Seoul area were successful in getting a child through the doctor treatment. Without delaying the time, my wife and I finally decided to go to the doctor. I turned out the God had my prayer, and at the age of my 9 year of marriage, I was blessed with a little and beautiful doctor. From this, I feel that God can actually show His love in ways that we cannot understand. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Petra Aray Jurna Ginting. My student number 71 2019 278. I will tell you how when I stuck in my problem. I always try to use my human abilities to achieve something I want, without looking at the other side of each of my problems. When I start to despair and don't know how to solve it, I will first see the other side of each of my problems. I start to think that God was preparing something new for me. After I realize that, then I will pray and leave all my problem to Him.
Hello, my name is Martin Fernando Jiwa, NIM 71-2020-702. I viewed God as a source of help in the crisis that I had. Since only God was capable of doing so. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Ephraim Julunenggolan, NIM 71 2019 269. When I get bad news, then of course of as a human being, I will feel very bad. But I realize that God must have the best design behind the bad news. When I face a problem, then I will ask for help from God so that I can go through the problem well. Thank you.
Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone.